Hi everyone! Today we're working on a quick and tiny crochet project that's both practical and fun to make. It's a crochet finger protector that can be used as a tension ring or knitting thimble. If you've ever had yarn rubbing against your finger while crocheting or knitting, this little accessory can help make crafting more comfortable. It's quick to make, beginner friendly, and a great way to use up leftover yarn from previous projects. Okay, so let's crochet this cute and useful little helper together. I will be using this type of yarn. It's acrylic, but I think this is what they call milk cotton. And I will use 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. Just create a slip knot and then start with chaining 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Row 1, skip the first chain and then work 1 single crochet in the next chain and in every chain. That's 8 single crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row 2, chain 1, turn, and then 1 single crochet in every stitch. Just continue until you reach the circumference for your finger. I will measure if it fits my finger. I think this is enough. You can add more rows. For me, this is up to row 13, and I think this is enough. You can add more if you have bigger finger. And you can also customize the size, the size of the weed. You can make it wider or shorter. Let's make the ears. This is where you will insert the yarn to control the tension. Okay, you can refer to the chart if you get lost. Okay, turn your work and then slip stitch in the next 2 stitches. Chain 2, And then work 1 double crochet in the same stitch. This is the second stitch. Okay, from here 1 2, this is the second stitch, and in the same stitch work a double crochet, and in the next stitch work 2 treble crochet, that's 1, and then another treble in the same stitch, and in the next stitch work 1 double crochet, and then chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch as the double crochet, and then slip stitch again in the next stitch, work the same pattern as this one, chain 2, and then double crochet in the same stitch, and then 2 treble in the next stitch, double crochet in the next, chain 2, slip stitch in the same stitch as the double crochet, and then slip stitch in the last stitch. Okay, this is where we will cut the yarn. Get a darning needle, insert this yarn tail so it doesn't get in the way. Just weave it in. Okay, now I will join this. And then weave in the yarn tail. And here's the finished project. There. I have another finger protector. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please join me again next time in my next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you'll also consider joining this channel to become a member. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.